Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making simple sponge cake with dressing. I've listed all the ingredients details in the description box below. Take a bowl and add in the butter, beat it well, then add icing sugar and beat again. When the butter and sugar mixture gets a bit fluffy, add in the eggs. Beat everything well, make sure that there are no lumps formed. Add in all-purpose flour and fold the mixture. For my personal satisfaction, I also whisked the mixture after adding in all-purpose flour. Add in baking powder, whisk well, then go in for vanilla extract. Once you're done, pour the mixture into a greased baking tray, then bake on 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. I usually use whipping cream for dressing my cake. You can also use buttercream or dairy cream. You can follow my decoration procedure or you can also go for yours. Split the cake into half and assemble your cream over it. Once you're done, put the other half over it and decorate as you like. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, link is in the description box below. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. See ya.